Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I'm Leo, and today I am feeling full of energy.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Leo. Wow, you were very loud. Can you please whisper? My ears are not awake yet.
Anna, it is 10 a.m. The sun is shining. Why do you sound so sleepy?
I am not sleepy. I'm just conserving energy. Being awake is hard work, Leo.
I see. Well, today is the perfect day for you, Anna. We are going to talk about morning routines, how to start your day with energy and happiness.
Happiness in the morning? Is that possible? I thought mornings were for suffering.
No. Mornings are beautiful. And to our listeners, if you want to wake up your English skills and start your day like a champion, please hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please subscribe. It is easier than waking up early. Just one click. Click it now.
So, Anna, tell me the truth. Why do you hate mornings?
Well, Leo, the bed is warm, the air outside is cold, and my pillow loves me. I cannot leave someone who loves me, right? That would be rude.
That is a very romantic relationship with your pillow. But a bad morning makes a bad day. If you start slow and angry, your whole day is difficult.
That is true. Usually, I wake up late, I run around the house like a crazy chicken, I forget my keys, and I arrive at work stressed.
Exactly. We call that a chaotic morning. Today, I want to teach you English phrases to change that. We will go from crazy chicken to cool eagle.
I want to be a cool eagle. Teach me, Leo.
Step 1 is the alarm clock, the most hated machine in the world. Anna, when your alarm rings, what do you do?
I hit the button. Immediately. I hit it hard. Bam.
Ah, you use the snooze button.
Snooze? What is that?
To snooze means to delay the alarm for 5 or 10 minutes. You want to sleep just a little bit more.
Yes, that is my favorite hobby. I snooze at 7, then 7:10, then 7:20. It's a game.
It is a dangerous game, Anna, because when you finally wake up, how do you feel?
I feel heavy. My head hurts. I don't know who I am.
We have a word for that feeling. You feel groggy.
Groggy. It sounds like a monster. I am groggy.
Yes, it means you are not fully awake. You are confused and slow.
Yes, I am definitely groggy. I walk into walls. One time, I put toothpaste on my face instead of my toothbrush. That is extremely groggy.
That is extremely groggy. So, rule number 1, don't hit snooze. When the alarm rings, open your eyes and stand up.
Stand up immediately? That sounds like torture.
It is hard, but it cures the groggy feeling. Okay, now you're standing. You're out of bed. What is the next thing you need?
Coffee. A big bucket of black coffee. Give it to me.
Wait. Coffee is good, but not first. First, you need to hydrate.
Hydrate? That sounds like science class.
It's simple. To hydrate means to drink water. Your body has no water for 8 hours while you sleep. You are dry.
Oh, so I'm like a dry plant.
Exactly. Imagine a dry plant. It looks sad. You pour water on it, and whoosh, it stands up. Humans are the same.
Okay, so I drink water first, then coffee?
Yes. And while you drink water, you should stretch.
Stretch? What is to stretch?
To stretch means to extend your arms and legs to make your muscles long, like a cat.
Ah, I know this. Like yoga?
Yes, simple yoga. Reach for the sky, touch your toes.
I tried to touch my toes once. I fell over.
You don't have to touch them. Just try. When you stretch, blood moves to your brain. It wakes you up faster than coffee.
Okay, so let me imagine this. I am a dry plant. I drink water, then I act like a cat. I am a watered cat plant.
That is a very strange image, Anna. But yes, now your body is awake. It's time to get ready for the world. Do you choose your clothes in the morning?
Yes, and it's a disaster. I stand in front of my closet and I cry, I have nothing to wear.
And because you take a long time, you have to rush.
Rush means to hurry, right? To go very fast?
Correct. When you rush, you forget things. You forget your lunch, you put on 2 different socks.
Hey, that is a fashion style. Mismatched socks are cool.
Maybe. But for a good morning, you should pick your outfit the night before.
Outfit?
An outfit is the set of clothes you wear together. Shirt, pants, shoes.
Ah, okay. So if I choose my outfit on Monday night,
Yes, for Tuesday morning.
okay, no crying in front of the closet. Exactly.
Now, let's compare. Story A. Anna wakes up. She hits snooze 5 times. She's groggy. She drinks coffee immediately. She looks for her outfit. She has to rush. Story B. Anna wakes up. She drinks water to hydrate. She does a big stretch. Her outfit is ready. She eats breakfast slowly.
Wow. Story B sounds like a movie star life. Story A is my real life.
Story B makes you productive.
Productive. That's a business word.
It means you get things done. You achieve your goals.
I want to be productive. I don't want to be a lazy lemon. I want to be a productive pineapple.
A productive pineapple. Anna, your metaphors are very hungry today.
I told you I haven't had breakfast yet.
Okay, my productive pineapple. Can you summarize the steps for a good morning?
I will try. My brain is not groggy anymore. First, stop hitting snooze. It is a trap. Second, if you feel groggy, stand up immediately. Third, hydrate. Drink water like a thirsty plant. Fourth, stretch your body like a cat. Fifth, prepare your outfit the night before so you don't have to rush. Finally, this makes you productive and happy.
Perfect. 10 points for Gryffindor.
Yay! I'm a wizard of mornings.
You see, English is easy when you connect it to daily life.
It is. I'm actually excited to wake up tomorrow. Well, maybe 50% excited. The bed is still very nice.
Baby steps, Anna. Baby steps. Now, question of the day.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
And tell us, what is the first thing you drink in the morning? Water, coffee, tea, orange juice?
Let us know in the comments. Team Night Owl, where are you?
Thank you for watching Daily English Listening Stories. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't snooze on our lessons.
Good one, Leo. Goodbye, everyone. Have a productive day.
Goodbye.